81 question says, Ramesh asked his servant to sell his cycle to him at a price less than that of market price. The contract can be avoided by the servant on the ground of. So undue means unnecessary and influence means to have an impact on something. And influence can be positive or negative. So यहाँ पे undue influence is the right answer. Question number 82 is based on principal fact-based question. Principal says a minor is not competent to contract. The facts are deep. A 9th standard student realizes that he being a minor, he is not permitted by law to execute a contract. Appoints Mandeep as his agent to conclude purchase of a land to gift it to his mother on her birthday. Mandeep accordingly prepares the papers for the transaction, but at the last minute, the seller who agreed to sell it now refuses to sell it, contending that he does not wish to sell the land to a minor. Deep seeks to enforce the contract against the seller, which is the right option here. And why? You know the reason? Because contract with a minor is void ab initio, void from the very beginning. So contract नहीं कर सकता. Principle, question number 83, principle says a contract without consideration is void. And consideration means something in return, okay? So the fact says A owes B rupees 1,100, but the debt is barred by limitation. B cannot file a suit. A signs a written promise to pay rupees 500. यहाँ पे 500, that is consideration amount, okay? On account of this debt, B now files a suit for the recovery of rupees 500. Decide. Which option is right? Is the contract enforceable है? क्योंकि यहाँ पे देखो A ने दूसरे को ऑफर करा, ठीक है, कंसिडरेशन भी हो गई, which is amount 500. तो contract is enforceable or not? ऑप्शंस देके बताओ. देखो B तो नहीं होगा, ठीक है, D भी नहीं होगा. It's अब A और B. हाँ, बट यहाँ पे तुम्हें लगता है नॉट enforceable होगा कॉन्ट्रैक्ट? क्योंकि प्रिंसिपल है ना, कॉन्ट्रैक्ट विदाउट कंसिडरेशन इज वाइड, और फैक्ट में कि कंसिडरेशन तो हो गया है, तो अकॉर्डिंग टू फिर दैट क्या हो जाएगा? ऑप्शन बताओ. हाँ, द कॉन्ट्रैक्ट इज एनफोर्सेबल एज इट हैज सफिशिएंट कंसिडरेशन, और कंसिडरेशन यहाँ पे 500 अमाउंट था, ठीक है. Next question is 84. Principle, a contract which is impossible to perform becomes void. And the facts are Sarinder agreed to deliver a specific quality of rice to Sonakshi, identified by both of them. Before delivery, the rice was burned by short circuit. Is Sarinder discharged from the performance of the contract? Decide. Fulfill होगा contract? वो discharge होगा Sarinder? क्यों नहीं होएगा? नहीं, बट जिसके साथ हुआ है तो परफॉर्म तो उसके साथ करेगा ना कॉन्ट्रैक्ट. तो सब्जेक्ट मैटर था ना जो कॉन्ट्रैक्ट का, दैट इज द राइस जो कि बर्न हो जाता है शॉर्ट सर्किट से. जब सब्जेक्ट मैटर वो डिस्ट्रॉय हो गया है वो पार्ट, तो फिर कॉन्ट्रैक्ट वुड नॉट बी एनफोर्सेबल. क्वेश्चन नंबर 85. प्रिंसिपल, एन अग्रीमेंट मे बी एंटर्ड इनटू ओरली और इन राइटिंग और बाय कंडक्ट. अग्रीमेंट या तो आप ओरली लाइक बोल के दे सकते हो, ठीक है, या तो रिटन फॉर्म दे सकते हो. A went to the shop of B and picked a toothbrush and gave a check of ₹20 to B and left the shop. तो agreement हुई यहाँ पे A and B? Yes. Question number 86. Principal says a contract is an agreement enforceable by law. Facts, Amita invited Beena to her house for dinner. कौन से? 85B होगा. Agreement हो गई A and B के बीच में. उसने चेक दिया ना ₹20 का B को, तो that would amount to an agreement between A and B. Okay, coming back to question number 86. Is this an agreement or not? Question number 86. See, why? Because the law does not take account of trivial. अब दो दोस्त आपस में agreement करते हैं कि I'll be inviting you at my home, है ना, फॉर डिनर, और दूसरा नहीं जा पाता बिकॉज ऑफ सम पर्सनल एंगेजमेंट, तो वो इन्फोर्स नहीं कर सकता जाके कोर्ट में, बिकॉज इट्स अ ट्रिवियल मैटर, उनका आपस का मामला है, कोर्ट वुड नॉट बी सी. ये क्वेश्चन कॉन्फ्लिक्ट में, ये ना क्वेश्चन 21 में आया था. हाँ, और यहाँ पे तुम्हें प्रिंसिपल के अकॉर्डिंग ही आंसर करना है, ठीक है. फैक्ट्स में तुम हो जाते हो मैनिपुलेट, क्योंकि हम भी होते थे फैक्ट्स पढ़ के, बट अगेन रिमेंबर व्हाट इट्स रिटन इन प्रिंसिपल. ओके. Question number 87. Principal, agreements the meaning of which is not certain or not capable of being made certain are void. A horse was bought for a certain price coupled with a promise to give ₹500 more if the horse proved lucky. What would be the right answer? Yes, because it is very difficult to define what luck is bad or good. तो यहाँ पे जो agreement है वो void हो गया. Question number 88, principle, a person is guilty of culpable homicide amounting to murder if the act by which the death is caused is done with an intention of causing death. अब तुम लोगों ने actus reus और mens rea तो पढ़ा होगा ना, actus reus guilty action, mens rea guilty mind, ठीक है? तो a fact says A and B are playing hide and seek. A hides behind a bush. C, who is on a prowl to hunt for rabbits, observing some movement near the bush and assuming a rabbit was hiding there, fires and kills. C does not know that A was hiding behind the bush. The police prosecute C for murder. C would be liable for murder or not? Why? हाँ, क्योंकि उसका इंटेंशन नहीं था कि वो A को मार दे बिल्कुल, है ना? Question number 89, principle, whoever enters into or upon property in the possession of another with the intent to commit an offense or to intimidate, insult or annoy any person in possession of such property or having lawfully entered into or upon such property unlawfully remains there with an intent to intimidate, insult or annoy any such person or with the intent to commit an offense commits criminal trespass. Trespass तो पता होगा ना? Unlawful interference in someone's property, or it could be body as well. ठीक है? So the fact here says A went to Delhi Law College to participate in a competition. After participating in the competition, A hid inside the campus so that he could sit whole night and read books from the library. So A here has committed criminal trespass or not? Yes, why? Because वो जिस पर्पस से गया था दिल्ली लॉ कॉलेज, इसका पर्पस था कि कंपटीशन में पार्टिसिपेट करे. तो आफ्टर डूइंग दैट ही शुड हैव रिटर्न ना फ्रॉम देयर. तो वो लाइब्रेरी में जाके बैठता है और वो लाइक खुद को छुपा के रखता है ताकि वो रात में जो है बुक्स पढ़ सके. तो दैट इज तो इंटिमिडेट इज इंटरफेयर करना ना. तो जब उसका जो पर्पस था वो कंपटीशन तक था, तो उसे लाइब्रेरी में नहीं जाना था, उसने उसकी प्रॉपर्टी से इंटिमिडेट कराना उस कॉलेज की प्रॉपर्टी से. तो दैट वुड अमाउंट टू क्रिमिनल ट्रेसपास है. सो ऑप्शन ए इज द राइट आंसर. ओके. Question number 90, principle, nothing is an offense which is done by a person who is bound by law to do it. Facts, a police officer without warrant apprehends Z who has committed murder. So A is guilty of the offense of wrongful confinement or not? Yes, A is not guilty क्योंकि law ने permit करा है करने को. And you have answer according to the principle. Okay, always keep in mind कि principle में जो लिखा है उससे direct answers तुम्हारा relatable हो. Question number 91, principle, a person who is usually of unsound mind but occasionally normal may make a contract when he is not of unsound mind, and the fact here says A generally remains in the state of unsound mind and rarely becomes capable of understanding the things. So A can when make a contract? When he is normal, है ना? Okay. A can make a contract when he is normal. यहाँ पे लिखा है ना, a person who is usually of unsound mind but occasionally normal may make a contract. मतलब ऐसे तो usually वो unsound mind का रहता है, but the moment he turns normal तो उस वक्त पे वो contract form कर सकता है. हाँ हाँ. कोई राइस की सेलिंग मतलब जिससे कंटिन्यूअसली वो इंटरफेरेंस उसका रहेगा. हाँ. तो अगर एक अनसाउंड माइंड में रहता है. हाँ. लेकिन कभी-कभी वो नॉर्मल रहता है. हाँ. जब वो नॉर्मल था जब उसने कांटेक्ट कर दिया. हाँ. तो वो वैलिड हो जाएगा. हाँ. लेकिन वो कांटेक्ट करने के बाद अगर फिर से अनसाउंड हो गया तो फिर वो नहीं कॉन्ट्रैक्ट अपन फोर्स नहीं कर सकते. तो आगे जाकर हम नहीं कर सकते. अगर वो कॉन्ट्रैक्ट के टाइम पे जब वो अनसाउंड हो जाता है माइंड का तो फिर वो अब मतलब जब कॉन्ट्रैक्ट किया था जब तो नॉर्मल था. हाँ. लेकिन कॉन्ट्रैक्ट करने के बाद वो फिर से अनसाउंड माइंड. अगर तुम्हारे प्रिंसिपल में क्लियरली मेंशन्ड है ना उसके अकॉर्डिंग फिर तुम ऑप्शंस लगाना एट द टाइम ऑफ कॉन्ट्रैक्ट और बिफोर द कॉन्ट्रैक्ट. बट यहाँ पे जो आंसर है दैट इज ऑप्शन ए. A can make a contract when normal. Next question of legal is 186 is based on a person was arrested by the policeman on suspicion of being in possession of stolen property. His property was kept in government Malkhana. The policeman in charge of Malkhana misappropriated the property and fled to Pakistan. Is the state liable to the owner of the property for the wrongful act of its civil servant? State liable नहीं होगी. State liable होगी. क्योंकि ये सॉवरेन फंक्शन है ना. देखो आपने उसकी प्रॉपर्टी मिस अप्रोप्रिएट की, ठीक है. उसने क्या कहा था यहाँ पे पुलिसमैन को सस्पेंशन में लिया गया था, उसके पोजेशन में था वो, और जब उसके पोजेशन में है तो वो मिस अप्रोप्रिएट नहीं कर सकता है ऐसे. तूने बोला कि पोजीशन में उसके है तो वो कर सकता है. हाँ, बट आई हैव चेक द सेम क्वेश्चन बट आंसर इसमें डी आएगा. द राइट आंसर इज डी. Question number 128. A has invited B for dinner. When B is stepping up the stairs leading to A's residence, he slips and gets injured because the stairs are slippery and there is no light illuminating the stairs. Which option is right? Yes, A is not liable because it was not his duty to provide illumination on the stairs. Question number 129. Summon's case means a case in which security is not required. See, summon means to call someone. President summon तो पढ़ा होगा ना तुम लोग ने पॉलिटी में. President summon जब वो बुलाते हैं तो police officer में arrest a person without notifying to appear in court at a fixed time and place. That is what summon says. B is wife of A. Question number 131. B is wife of A. A during lifetime of B and with her consent makes an agreement with C to marry her. The agreement is क्योंकि वो बिगामी में आ जाएगा. Your wife is alive and आप उसको फिर वो करते हो कि you'll be marrying a second woman, so that is void. Question number 132. A contract to sing for B at a concert for rupees 1,000 which are paid in advance. A is too ill to sing, then A must refund to rupees. Yes, वो refund कर देगा पैसे क्योंकि advance में उसे मिले थे. The term consensus ad idem means to agree on the same thing. See, con means together. उसका root word है con means together. तो to agree on the same thing in the same sense. हो गई questions? Also come to question number 146. Marriage in Muslim law is a civil contract. Question number 147. In which of the following judgments did the Supreme Court of India set aside the practice of talaq-e-biddat Shaira Bano? और वो जो शाह बानो था, that was about maintenance. ऐसे देखो याद रखना, शाह बानो is for maintenance and शायरा बानो was for talaq-e-biddat, that's triple talaq. और जो recent वाला है वो शायरा बानो ही वाला 2017 का है I guess. हाँ. Meher is the amount of money or valuable security payable by the wife to the husband at the time of marriage. हाँ, by the husband to the wife. अच्छा, option B. Okay, all right. A marriage with a woman before completion of her iddat is irregular, not void. A Muslim widow remarries during the period of iddat, the marriage is fasid. Okay, हो गए. और कोई questions, किसी में doubt?